Turn this off. Today is a very, very special day because someone is turning 3 today. We're gonna have a day full of all things beans. So it's also like the most miserable day of all time. So we were gonna go to Beans' favourite national park and do lots of runs, but as you can see, the weather ain't great today. So what we're gonna do today, Beanie Weenie, is, how does this sound? We're gonna go to Pets at Home. Do you wanna go in the car? We'll go Pets at Home, and anything that you sniff, we buy. Anything, any treat, any toy, anything you want, we will buy it if you sniff it. And then what we're gonna do is bake Beanie a Beanie birthday cake. I've never made a dog cake or attempted that before. So that'll be really fun to do. Do you want a birthday cake and a treat? In the car? We'll go in the car now actually. Oh, this weather's horrible. I really wanted to take her out to like her favourite park, but it's a bit of a shame. Hopefully it will clear up a bit later on. So I say we should go to the pet shop first now, get some bits, and then I'm gonna go Tesco and get some stuff for her cake. I've read like a few different recipes online and watched a few different YouTube videos because obviously I want to make sure that the cake is completely fine for her and dog friendly and all that. So it's like a peanut butter kind of cake. It's like peanut butter and carrots and honey. Get my shoes. All right. Fly down the stairs. I actually have been to Tesco this morning already to get my own stuff, but we'll have to go back in a second. But I got her favorite treats, and we've got some party hats, and we've got some bunting. Oh my lord, this weather! Beans, we're gonna get wet. Oh my god. Literally, I picked like the rainiest day in the world. Just had a little dentist stick, just had a breakfast. We'll put the bunting up here or somewhere a bit later. Let's go. Where's your lead? Yeah. Come here. Oh, we're gonna get wet, Weenie. Right, I just opened the door. There's absolutely no chance I'm walking out without a coat. It is so heavy, the rain. Welcome to England. Hey. We made it, but look at this bloody rain. Oh wait, there we go. Yep, so we're gonna run Beans because this is a bit hectic. But the way it's gonna work, basically, anything that she's interested in, we buy. That is the rule. Beanie, you can't go under there. Where are you going? First thing she's interested in is rabbit food. Look at these toys. Yes, I know. Look at these toys. What do you think? Come on, look. 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 As you can tell, she's a bit more food motivated than play. You don't want any? All right. Beanie, anything here? We've got lots of different ones here. What do you think? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, we were close then. We nearly had something. It's a little bit too high for you, isn't it? Oh, you gave the piggy a lick. All right, let's see. You want the piggy? Sounds like you. Do you want the piggy? All right, we'll get the piggy. What about a dinosaur? Do you want any of these? We've got a blue dinosaur. We've got a red one. What about a cow? Do we want the cow? Yes, we gave the cow a lick. We can have the cow. Yeah, she's a big fan of this one. Okay, we'll grab the cow. So we've got pig, we've got cow. All right, we're gonna look at the treats now. We've got a pick and mix dog treat section. Oh, oh, oh. Which one? Which one? Come on, which one do you want? Which one do you want? Show me. Get a treat. Which one? Which one? You're looking at this one. Do you want this one? Is that what you want? Will you sit for me? Good girl. We'll get these. Yeah, good choice. All right, we'll get these. Yeah. Okay. What else? Do you want pick and mix? She's in heaven right now. All right, are there any other treats on this aisle that you'd like? You don't really want the dental treats, do you? Already had your little dentist. Oh, watch out, sweetheart. Come on. Can't take the sign home, Beans, but good try. You don't want any of these? This one? This one? No, not interested. All right. What about a big bone? I think a big bone would be good. Oh, Beans, look. Look at this. Look at these. All right, anything? We've got big bones. Look at the size of this. This is bigger than you. Literally, it's bigger than Beans. That is too big for you, my love. No. What about one of these? Do you want this one? I will take that as a yes. Okay, we want this one. You want this one? Yes. Right, we'll get a bone as well. So far we've got 2 toys, 2 treats. Do you want anything else? No? What about... You want the big bone? You can't have that, that's too big. Oh, you want the big pack. You want the big pack. Or this one. Oh, that is huge, Beans. That's too big. No, that's too big. She wants this. But they're for retrievers and you're a pug. You can't have them, they're too big. What about this one? No? This is more your size. Beanie, Beanie, this is more your size. Oh God, you can't eat it now. All right, we'll get this one. This is more of a pug size. Yeah? Yes, okay. We've got all of Beans' stuff. We'll go pay. Is that enough or do you want anything else? It's enough. All right, let's do it. All right, we are home. What do you want first? I need to get your lead off first. Come here. Come here. Come on. The guy at the pet shop thought she turned 1 today. He's like, oh, little puppy. I'm like, she's 3. Come here, monkey. What do we want first? We've got Piggy. I'll pop here. We've got Cow. Put the labels off. Oh, we like Cow. And then we've got 3 treats. Which one? This one? This one? Or this one? Which one? You want the little one? Alright, she wants the smallest one. Probably a good decision because we're about to have a cake. There you go. She is funny. Just checking the ingredients for this cake. If you guys want to make one for your own little doggo on their birthday. So I need to get I need peanut butter, carrots and whole wheat flour. And here's the instructions for anyone that wants to pause and use it themselves. So while this one is munching on her little treat, you're still going. It's actually taken quite a while. I'm gonna get myself to Tesco with a little cow. You alright, mate? I'm actually not feeling very well today. So I'm gonna grab my reusable bags, always, and then we're gonna get peanut butter, which I don't have in my house because I hate peanuts and I hate butter, so I do not own peanut butter, and the specific type of flour as well. Let's go. I've never shopped for peanut butter before, I'm a bit overwhelmed. It says it has to be zytol free, so let's find that. And 170 grams. Zytol. Palm oil. Ugh, no. And that one has no palm oil. Perfect. Back home now, and I have got a tea ready in my massive bowl mug from Primark. I mean, this is huge. I've got some of the stuff for Beans' birthday cake. I'm just currently making my own lunch. and then we'll make her cake. We've got the candles going, and I also got some bunting. I feel like I want to put it here on this window. I think that could look really cute. Oh my god, it's huge. I don't know. Ta-da! We have the birthday bunting up. It's officially your birthday. Look at that. Having the best day ever. She just finished her treat. About to make the cake. How exciting, Beanie. Do you know what I have just realized? I don't have a cake tin or anything like that. So, I have a tray. Would that work? I really did not think that through, oh my god. Or can I like put this in the oven? I don't know. All right, these are my options. I've just been Googling, can you put a saucepan in the oven? And apparently it's all right as long as you don't have a plastic handle. All right, so I've just spoken to my mother in Australia who has told me you can't put any rubber in the oven. So we're gonna have a rectangle shaped cake today. So yeah, 170 grams of coconut oil. 170, god that's like so much oil. So mix the coconut oil, vanilla extract, honey, peanut butter and eggs. So we've got our oil. Beans already like, is this for me? This actually is for you today, Beanie Weenie. That's so specific. 227 grams of honey. 227 exactly, okay. And I made sure to get like organic, natural honey, so there's no like, you know, preservatives and all that rubbish in it. So much honey! Oh my god. So much honey. I probably should have like measured that into the mixing bowl. That would have been a lot smarter because now I've got all this honey in the bowl. Now I'm gonna grab the eggs. Oh, I remember this doesn't crack on this bowl, which is a bit dumb. A little bit stupid, so there we go. And now it's time for the peanut butter. So this is the best one I saw. It literally just is roasted peanuts. That's it. Oh my god, it's runny. Ew. Oh, yeah. Is peanut butter meant to be like that? Why is it so watery? Ooh. Let's do this the smart way this time. Let's actually just measure it straight into the bowl without needing any extra things. Oh, I hate peanut butter. Like that actually looks like, you know what? That looks appetizing. Does someone want to lick the spoon? Have you ever had peanut butter before? Because I don't really, ooh, you like the peanut butter. Is it nice? Oh, very nice. Perfect. Now it is time to mix all these bad boys together. And I don't have a mixer. It's one thing I need to buy. You best believe I've got the stickiest fingers in the world right now. All right, let's get some elbow grease. Now time to add the shredded carrot. 170, come on. Again, very specific, 256 grams of wholemeal flour. Actually getting the flour in the bowl would be a great step as well. Not on the side. All right, so I've got my tray. Not a cake tin, but a tray. This is all mixed together so we can pop the mixture in. All right, we have this delicious looking rectangle cake. I'm just gonna start all the washing up and everything, and it says to put it in 180 for 20 minutes. Let's do it. All right, we've just taken it out of the oven. I'm gonna wait for it to cool. Then I'm gonna grab this peanut butter again. We're gonna put a layer of that over the top as like a little icing. And there it is. So the cake is done, it's ready. We've taken our little birthday photo and she can smell how delicious this is. This is your birthday cake. It's cooled down a little bit. A little beanie slice. Yeah. I feel like I should cut this up for her a little bit so she doesn't choke. Ooh, happy birthday. Come on. You sit down. Leave it. Okay. Okay. Does it? Oh my god. Slow down, Beans. I think that means it passed the test. Oh my gosh, she is gobbling that. Happy little girl. It's a success! She's having the best day ever. It's finally like just stopped raining, so I'm thinking about taking her, I'm thinking about taking her on her little birthday walk now. And then when I come back, I'll like get this all edited, but you can probably tell by my face, I don't feel very well today and I look very tired and all that, so I'm gonna end this here, and I hope you guys enjoyed Beans' little birthday vlog. I know she did. I've now got toys all over the house. We've got lots of treats. The house smells like peanut butter cake. And she's loving life. She's a little bit preoccupied, but she says thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Have an amazing day. Bye.